Very great rest. We are blessed to have many volunteers and trustees who have been putting a lot of efforts. One person who is above all this and who has been putting a lot of efforts is Mr. Bali. He has been taking care of so many lakes in the vicinity, and some of you might know that he was the finalist for the Namma Bangalorean Award last year. I would like Bali to say a few words.
Welcome to you all. All the best for the national championship. Our pride to host you all here for a practice session. Again, once again, all the best to you all. Thank you.
I would request Coach Anand Shankar to say a few words. Anand Shankar is Vice President. Anand Shankar, Vice President of Karnataka Kayaking and Canoeing Association. Please welcome him with clap of hands.
Good morning, and thank you, Mr. Subramanian, and the Beneganeri Trust to host us and get us all over here. Like they say, it takes a village to build a team, and here we are. And the real heroes of our Kayaking and Canoeing Association are these athletes and trainees who are here. Give them a round of applause. They've been training really hard. We've been training at the LA Malappa Shetty Kenny for quite some time. Thanks to Bali, that along with his support and with the support of the Beneganeri Trust, we are here this morning. But as I stand here, it's all about the teamwork. So I'd like to ask Mahesh to also join me, Dinesh, and JP as well. These are the guys who are behind the kids, who train them every day in the morning. Give them a round of applause. And I'd also like to recognize some of the parents who are here, Ganesh, because without the support of the parents, the kids don't really, don't have the confidence and don't have the support which is needed, at least in India. So thank you very much, and I'll hand over to Mahesh. In fact, you were asking me what's a canoe and what is canoeing and what is kayak. So here we have a banner over here. Can we just turn attention quickly? So I give you so you have kayaking. There's a picture. It's a single boat. You have. Are you able to hear me? Okay. So we've got kayaking. You have a single. So kayaking is where a paddler sits in the boat and you have two blades or two ends of the paddle. It's a sit-down position, and you have K1, 2, and 4, and you also have 8s. Okay. Then you have, so like you can see here, it's a sit-down position. You have the doubles. Now this is canoeing. This is a kneeling position in the same boat. It's a cutout. Normally the canoes actually started as a boat which has a dugout with a single piece of wood. So you have the same thing with canoeing. It's a kneeling position. Maybe JP can demonstrate the kneeling position. Okay, that's how you sit in the boat. Okay, and then you have the paddle on one side. Canoe slalom. This is again a version of the kayak. You have two blades, but this happens in rapid or fast waters. Yeah, you all can take a closer look because this banner is going to be around for some time. Okay, you have the fours, you have the touring kayaks, and finally you have the dragon boat. The dragon boat originated in China. It's very similar to our Nehru boat race. You have the Kerala boat race. Yeah, you have the Nehru trophy in Kerala. So it's very similar to that. The dragon boat basically has two types. You have 10, you have a coxswain, and you have a drummer. So you have a drummer. The drummer is there to keep the rhythm in the boat. Okay, the coxswain basically manages the direction or steers the boat in which way. So each dragon boat you have a drummer, very important role. I think Kriti, you're the drummer over there. And then you have the steering. Who's handling the steering? He's a coxswain, and then Pranjala and the rest of them are handling they are the crew members of the boat, so to speak. So you have 12, that is a 10 plus 2, and you also have a 20 plus 2. There are two variations of both. Yeah. So thank you very much to the Benekere Kere Trust. We really appreciate all the work and the help and the encouragement that you all have given these young kids, and I'm sure they'll come back with honors once they're back. I'll hand it over back to you.
Thank you, Anand Shankar. Now we request our trustees and volunteers to please come forward. And firstly, please garland the office bearers of the Kayaking Association. Yeah, just help. All trustees to please do it. Mr. Anand Shankar. Give to each trustees and volunteers. Mr. Mahesh. Mr. Mahesh. Sir, why is that? To Madam Vicky, who is doing a research on our lake. I would request all the trustees and the Kayaking Association office bearers to please garland each one of them. Thank you very much. Children, please. Yeah, okay. Mr. Vanigandan wants to garland the youngest one.
Who is the youngest?
Who is the youngest one?
Here.
The youngest ticket.
Who is the youngest? One by one. That's okay. That's okay. Madam. It's a nice one.
No, I keep it.
Yeah, more strong.
Oh, there's more. Okay, then I'll keep it.
Stay there. Please don't go out. Please stay there. We have another small program. Keep wearing it. We need a group photo later.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್
Please, for another 5 minutes.
Forward here and take one.
Hello, sir. You're.
Oh, you're right.
Please be there. Please be there for some more time. I would request. Hello. Mahesh.
Hello. So this is the next important part of today morning's program is to hand over the kits to all of you all. And we'd like Mahesh. In a few minutes we'll have the Benigre Trust members to also hand over the kits to all the kids. Yeah?
Don't go there.
స్వామికే అట్లంతా డీసెంట్గా ఉండాలి స్వామికే
इसका नाम बुला रहे हैं बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स लिसन हियर